this strange machine to do something. It says, play Ruby Root level 6. But wait, how do I play the game? I'm stuck out here. How do I get back in the game? Maybe...
Whoa, what am I doing here? This is so strange. 1 minute I'm in a park fighting fires. The next minute I'm wherever this place is. A factory? I must be in another level. Rubit, I forgot you were here.
Ooh, what's this? Outfits? That's kind of cool. Ooh, not that one. That's cute.
Whoa, somebody changed my outfit.
Activate friendship mode. Accept.
Ruby, you're real? And you're here? What are you doing here?
What are you doing in my game and who are you?
I'm Sandra. I'm the one who plays you in the video game.
Play me? What is that supposed to mean? Rubik!
Oh!
You have Rubik! Rubik back?
I don't even know how I got it. Sure. Here you go. Ruby, can you help me get out of here? The game brought me here when you used the swap power-up, and I think you're the only one who can get me home.
I don't know how to do that. I'm sorry. I mean, I do quests, and that's what I'm good at. I wish I could help, but...
Ruby, wait.
Oh, new quest. Work together for a power-up.
Yes, I knew it. I knew if we worked together that you can help me get home.
Listen, I'll go complete the quest, and you stay there where it's safer, Sandra. Don't worry. I can work together on my own.
No, I think I better come with you.
So how did you get here anyway?
I think you brought me here when you used the swap power.
Sorry, I didn't know it would do that.
It's okay. At least you're trying to help me get back home. You're taking responsibility.
Oh, what's a responsibility?
It means doing your job. Ouch, that was a really bumpy ride.
Yeah.
Oh dear.
What is this?
Bad luck, Ruby. Very bad luck.
New challenge. Cross the obstacle course without touching the floor for 20 more points.
Without touching the floor?
Oh, and tied together. Okay, Sandra, I can't fail this. I've never failed a challenge before.
Well, we better get started. Okay, we gotta work together on this.
All right.
Okay, how about we both grab this at the same time? 1, 2, 3. We got this. 1, 2, 3, go! Yay, we did it! And we didn't even touch the floor once!
I know, and I know exactly what to spend a root point on.
Woo! That was so cool!
We did it! We worked together!
Scissors? You can cut us free!
Maybe you better do that. I've never used
Okay.
these before. Does that mean...
Yes!
Does that mean we completed the challenge?
I think so, right?
Aw, come on. We have more to do, but we work together.
You know, there must be something else. Maybe we didn't do enough?
Okay, I have an idea, Sandra. You go that way, and I'll go that way, and then we'll finish the quest in half the time. That's it.
But Ruby, wait!
Well, don't worry, Sandra. We got this, and we'll finish quicker.
Poor Ruby. She's always worked on her own. She just doesn't get it yet. Whoa! This is a really cool room. Wish Ruby was here. Huh.
Whoa. Rubik, do you see this? And all that? Build a basket for 20 Rue points? What's a basket?
Ruby, this is the basket. This is what we have to fill for the challenge.
All right, Sandra, I got this. This quest
Yes.
is as good as finished. Why isn't it working? I mean, it's really full. I can see
It is full. Oh, wait, one more ball? No.
Nothing's happening.
You know what, Ruby? We gotta press this button right here.
The button. Can I push it?
Yeah, of course. You can push it. Oh, we did it! Look! Ah! Yay! Finally! Thank you so much, Ruby. I could have never done it without your help.
And I could have never done it without your help, Sandra.
Thank you.
I'm gonna miss you.
I miss you so much. But don't worry, I'll never be that far away. I promise.
The Ruby. Where'd she go? I guess it's just me and you, old pal. Ruby, you're so funny.
Wild Rapids? That sounds wet. I have a feeling this is going to be a tough level. I hope we're prepared for it. So we've got that invisibility power-up, some root points too. That's good, because I think we're going to need them. This new level looks like there's a whole lot of water involved.
What's that, Ruby? New quest. Find the pirate treasure.
A treasure hunt? That sounds amazing! Let's go get ourselves some pirate treasure, but we can't get too carried away. Ruby's going to need a new outfit. Oh, this is perfect. Okay, we're definitely doing this one.
Hey, Ruby, what do you think? Get it? Water? Oh, man, this is going to be so much fun. A real pirate treasure hunt. I can't wait. Come on, let's go. Whoa, what's wrong, Ruby? Oh, I forgot you're afraid of water, but don't you worry. I'll be extra careful not to get you around any water. I promise. Run away for 20 root points. I can do that, right? Well, I know you can ride a train, and I know you can ride a horse. But how do you ride a wave?
Riding the wave, like surfing? That's riding, isn't it? The wave is just ripples of water built up by the wind. But you can ride them like anything else. You just need a flat surface to slide across them like a board.
Could it be that simple? It'll sure be fun to try. Don't worry, Ruby. Whatever happens, I won't let you get wet. I promise.
Yes, that pirate treasure is as good as ours.
Wow, that sure was a close one.
Oh no, Ruby's out of energy. We gotta act quick. We can't lose now. We gotta do something. What's that? Ruby's trying to tell us something. Wait a minute. The rubies, but we worked so hard to earn them in previous levels. No, we can't let Ruby down now. We've got no other choices. This is what it takes to get Ruby back in the game. I'll do it.
I'm back! I'm back! That's right. I can finish this. I feel so much better now. I'm off to find the treasure. Come on, Ruby. Woo! Okay, what's that, Ruby? New challenge. Ride the Howling Tornado for 30 root points. I can do that. The treasure must be on the other side of the tornado. Let's do it.
Come on, Ruby, you're brave enough. You can do this. That was so cool. Way to go, Ruby. I wish I could have done that.
We found the treasure and got a ruby!
Woo! Way to go! We're getting good at this. this.
See, Rubit? Not a problem at all. What a great team we made. Huh?
Oh no, Ruby? Rubit? Are you okay? I can't wait to see what happens next. I hope they're okay.
Whoa, that was so cold. Let's definitely not do that again, okay, Rubit? Rubit? Critical system failure?
Oh no, I think Rubit is broken. He's electronic, and electronic things break when they get wet.
Come on, little buddy. Hang in there. New quest. Find the Great Wolf. But Rubit, I don't want to find the Great Wolf. I want to get you fixed. Rubit, no!
Oh no, what are we going to do without Rubit? We gotta find some way to bring him back. Maybe this great wolf can help?
Have to help Rubit. Whoa! Oh, how do you like that? Woo! What is this? Rubit, do you think? Oh, Rubit.
Oh goodness, I think it's a magic wand.
What is it? Some sort of glowy twig thing? Whoa. Oh, I think it wants me to go that way! What is this place? What are those?
Oh, I recognize this. It's a crazy golf course.
Think, Ruby, think, think, think. Whoa! I know! I bet this is a challenge! I bet I have to hit these balls with this thing into that hole. That's it!
Woo, good job, Ruby.
There's the Great Wolf! And where do I go now? Were you talking to me? I'm looking for the Great Wolf. Maybe you could help me?
Are those frogs talking?
Is the Great Wolf that way? Is the Great Wolf that way? Thank you, frogs! I know! Rubit would want me to set a challenge. Zap as many glowflies as I can before the timer runs out. 30 seconds ought to do it. Go! I don't know if I like the look of this. Whoa, that was a close one with those glowflies. Whoa, where are we now? Whew, I left that scary place. And, oh, look, there's wolves.
Whoa, that must be the Great Wolf. We found them.
Then there's more wolves over there. And the Great Wolf! Oh, my, I've been looking all over for you. You see, my friend Rubit here, well, he kind of got all wet at the water park and now he's not working and I really need his help, but he sent me to find you. And so now can you help me? Can you fix him?
The wand, Ruby. Use the wand.
The Great Wolf! Hi! It's so nice to meet you. I'm Ruby Roo, but wait, I need your help. I need your help. You see my friend? He stopped working, Rubit, and he needs to be fixed, so I just thought maybe you could... Rubit, you're back, little buddy. Don't you ever leave me again, okay?
Yes, Rubit's okay.
Oh, thank you so much. You fixed my friend, and you're my hero. Thank you. Aw, Rubin, I'm so glad you're back, little buddy. I was just lost without you. I didn't know what to do. What's that? Quest complete. Yay! Hear that, Mrs. Grey Wolf? Mrs. Grey Wolf? Where'd she go?
I'm so glad Rubit is okay again, and I'm so proud of Ruby. She did the entire mission all by herself. I'm so excited too to see where we go next.